to another episode of Explore Maple Grove. My name is Shari McGuire, and I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Classic Realty Northwest. Today, I have the great pleasure of being here with April Ranallo. She is a Senior Vice President of Mortgage Lending at Guaranteed Rate. She is a member of the President's Club and at Guaranteed Rate, and has also been recognized as a top mortgage originator among all originators in the United States by Scotsman Guide. That's pretty impressive. Thanks for joining me, April.
Thank you so much. I'm excited about this.
Yeah, great. Well, it's good to see you again because we've been friends for quite a while and just don't get to see each other much. So let's start with you telling us about your business.
So I am a residential mortgage loan originator. I'm able to help families and individuals purchase and refinance in all of the 50 states for any of our snowbirds that are out there. I've been in the mortgage business since 1999, so I've seen a few ups and downs, and I would just say the best thing is to help people get their biggest dream of buying a new home.
Well, that's great. And you hardly look old enough to have been in the business
back
in those days. So what led you to opening your business?
It was kind of a fluke, to be honest. So I used to work for Bremer Bank, for those of you that know the local bank, and I was in their customer service. I was 19 and worked my way up to their phone bank. And a friend suggested that I go try First Mortgages, and I did. My two favorite things are numbers and problem solving, which definitely led to an industry that fit me very well. So I kind of started when I was young and have been in it ever since.
Oh, that is awesome. What would your clients say they love most about you and working with your business?
I would say the strongest thing the client, they have a good time, which I know sounds kind of funny because buying a house can be stressful. But I'm a huge communicator. I'm super large on communication, but communicating in a clear, efficient way. You know, I'm not going to give you a bunch of mortgagees terms. Like, we're going to kind of just talk about what the goals are, how to accomplish them on a regular basis. Get the questions answered. And I tend to think I consult my clients a lot more. There's a lot more into mortgages than people really think a lot of times. You hire a financial planner to really dig into the best plan for you on your retirement and your finances. And the mortgages are much more complicated than just what is an interest rate. You know, there's a lot of programs and a lot of different areas you can work it to your best advantage. And I think that's a big thing that they love.
Yeah, and that's great that you know all those options, because there are so many options for people nowadays. It's not just get a good interest rate and put 20% down. You know, it's a lot different than that nowadays. So great. Well, what are your business goals over the next year?
My business goals right now for 2021 is to help individuals navigate this purchase market. Anyone trying to buy a house right now, it is extremely crazy, as Shari can contest to. Inventory is low, and not only is it important to have a super good realtor on your side like Shari to fight for you and everything else, I can also be an advantage. I talk to a lot of listing agents to kind of help sell the clients so that their offers are accepted, and just verify that the deals will close on time, which is what all parties are hoping is accomplished. Yeah,
and you definitely want someone like April on your side with the lending, because that can be such a mess if you don't have a good lender who can go through hoops for you and really pull it off. So great to have people like you out there.
Yeah, you need to have your pre-approval letter be concrete.
Yes, it can't just be vaporware. That will be thrown out. What do you love most about, the Twin Cities? And if you ever come up to Maple Grove at all?
Oh, I'm in Maple Grove all the time. Actually, most of my family lives in Maple Grove.
Oh, there you go.
So the thing I love about, Maple Grove is great, right? Super convenient, tons of great restaurants. I'm a city kid. So I love the activities you can do. But my favorite thing is all like the natural reserves, the parks, the trails. You can take a walk. And as much as I'm a city kid that wants the conveniences of the restaurants and the stores, I love having it in your backyard to just pretend you're in the middle of nowhere and get a little nature in your life, which is important. So
and you really can. Yeah, you really can in Maple Grove. It's some wooded areas that you just feel like you're out there with nature and there's no big city all around you. So that is a very cool thing. Well, awesome. Well, thank you again for joining me today, April.
Thank you for having me. I hope everybody has a fantastic year.
Yes. Well, thank you for watching. And once again, I'm Shari McGuire, Realtor with Keller Williams Classic Realty Northwest. And be sure to check out our local community website at exploremaplegrove.life. And if you have a business and want to be featured, reach out to me today through the website. I would love to interview you. Take care and stay well.